ごいよマジで。何これ。うわ、待って、ここの下通るの怖いな。
Heavy winter fronts have brought heavy snowfall to northern region side last week, causing hundreds of vehicles to stay on highways, delaying delivery service and causing 11 deaths. Heavy snowfall across large swathes of Japan has killed 17 and injured more than 19 people and left hundreds of homes without power, disaster management officials say. Heavy snow over Christmas weekend brought the death toll to 17, the number of injured 93 according to fire and disaster management agencies leading off rooftops. Municipal authorities in snow-affected regions have urged residents to be careful with clearing snow and not work alone. The disaster management agency said a woman in her 70s was found dead under a 3-week pile of snow on her roof and suddenly in here, Nagal City, Yamagata Prefecture, about 300 kilometers north of Tokyo, where snow accumulated about 18 degrees. In Yamagata, famous of growing rice, some manufacturers of mochi or learnedus, rice cakes that are staple of New Year's celebration, said there were delivery delays and their mochi may not reach customers to time. Many parts of northeastern Japan received 3 times more snow than average for the season.